Hello everyone, I'm Uncle Mikey and I'm hungry for some breakfast. I've actually gotten a request to do breakfast food for one of my meals, and thanks Caitlin for the request. Today we're having the Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl. She said something about French toast, but I'm trying to keep it healthy and I've already eaten French toast this year. So this is the, well, it's got carbs. It's got carbs because it's got potatoes in it, but it's probably the lower carb option. I don't know. Let's see, where's the total carbohydrates, 26 grams. So that's a lot. I don't know. I honestly, I couldn't tell you if that's a lot or not. It doesn't seem like a lot, but I'm assuming that the potatoes are the cheapest item in here, and it is probably very likely that they packed the bowl full of that. But you do see there's a beautiful picture of some steak and eggs and cheese and onions and potatoes. Well, it actually says right there, potatoes, eggs, seasoned steak, cheddar cheese, and onions. So lots of good stuff in there. 15 grams of protein per serving, which also, I have no idea whether that's a lot or not. But they put it on there in big, bold letters. See that? 15 grams per serving. How many servings is this? Servings per container, 1. So it's 15 grams for the whole box. You hear it rattling around inside there. I hope it's not broken. It's supposed to be in a bowl, so hopefully it hasn't popped open and all the contents spilled out all over the bowl or all over inside the box. So yeah, we got 7 ounces. It's kind of lightweight. I generally like a large breakfast. 7 grams. That's like how much toast I usually eat along with all my other food. So I don't know if this is gonna hold me over till lunch, but we'll see. All right, let's crack this baby open. Very exciting. I love that sound. It's so satisfying. I wonder if they scientifically test and see if the sound of opening the box is in any way satisfying to people. All right, it's in a bowl, and it's all sealed up. That's what it looks like inside the bowl. Jimmy Dean's breakfast bowl. Let's see, how are we supposed to cook this? Prepare. Remove from carton. I've already done that. Puncture film. All right, I'm gonna puncture the film. Puncturing the film. All right. Step number 2, cook. Microwave on high for 2 minutes. There are no oven directions on this, so if anybody's requesting that I cook it in an oven, I know I have this handy microwave, or toaster oven, which works really good for small things, but I think that'll melt the plastic, so we don't want that. Cook on high for 2 minutes. Then stir. Peel back film and stir, replace film. Cook again. Cook on high for 1 minute, or until thoroughly cooked. Let stand 1 minute, and then enjoy. They always say enjoy. Doesn't always happen, but hopefully I'll enjoy this one. Cook it to 165. That's we're noticing that that's a common thread. 165 appears to be a pretty good temperature to cook things to. I guess that's hot enough to kill germs. We're all afraid of germs now. The ingredients look really good. Well, the egg, you can't tell what the inside of the egg looks like, but it's an egg. The potatoes, they're all hash browny and chopped up there. And, oh no, that's the cheese. I'm sorry. So there's just solid potatoes. Cheese and that steak. Look at that steak. Doesn't that look amazing? You know, for boxed steak. All right, let's go ahead and get this in the oven, the microwave oven, for 2 minutes. Be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and brew myself some delicious coffee while we wait. We're going with the Great Value Donut Shop coffee. Great Value from Walmart. It really does taste pretty much like all the other ones, to be honest with you. It's coming out of a Keurig, so it's not what you'd call good coffee anyhow. Oh, sorry Keurig, you make a great machine, I love it. Got it. Add a little water here. So yeah, filtered directly from the refrigerator, so it's good, clean water. I haven't changed that filter in a year. My I Love Wawa coffee mug. I do. Our bowl is ready. Here we gotta pop this open and stir, remember? That's instruction number 3. Stir. Gently tearing back the film. Oh yeah. You know, the downside of having to stir is that you get to see what it looks like before you finish the meal. There's like a layer of water on the inside. It's not, it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Alright, replacing the film and back in the microwave for 1 more minute. The coffee should be done in just a moment. It'll do the spit thing. It's my favorite thing about the Keurig, where it goes like that at the end of its brewing. Ready? Here it comes. So satisfying. The smell is good too. All right. Ooh, hot. All right, let's get our food out of the microwave and let it stand for a moment. A minute. It's got to stand for a full minute. Whew. Just let you watch me drink some coffee. Wawa, I better be getting a check for this. And if you're cheap, you can pop open the thing, close it again, and get another cup out of it. I'm probably covering up the Wawa logo. There you go. There. Wawa. Looking for sponsorships? Bring it on. Ever since this virus hit, gotta find extra ways to make a little extra money. And yeah, YouTube. That's my plan. All right, we're at about a minute now. I'm gonna kind of just shake it. It doesn't say to stir it a second time, but I can tell you, based on what I've seen here, it needs it. All right, peeling off the film. Whoa, look at that. Oh, that looks terrible. But you can see the steam coming off it, which is pleasant. It actually smells all right. Those potatoes are soggy as all hell, though. All right, let's see. That's the box. The box. Make sure I can get it in the shot here. And there's the food. So what, did they win, folks? Did they nail it? Nailed it! It's kind of like a Pinterest nailed it. This is it. There's like a liquid in the bottom. It's kind of soupy. Hang on. I want you to see this. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if this works. Yeah, there. See? Looky there. Looky there at all that soup. Steamed potato soup. Now we get to try it. I'm not looking forward to this. Thanks, Caitlin. Here's a big old nugget of egg. It may still be very hot. Again, my finely calibrated tongue will tell us if this is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If Nerf made egg, that would be it. Some potatoes here. All right, well, they're boiled potatoes. All right, look at that fine bit of steak there. These are really just trimmings, I think. What's left over after Jimmy Dean. Does Jimmy Dean meet? Jimmy Dean, I don't think, makes steak very often. I do a lot of sausages. It actually tastes fine. The taste of the steak is pretty good. I can't tell where the cheese is. Maybe that's that soup in the bottom, but there are little pieces of cheese here and there. And the onion is onion. But the steak actually tastes good. They could have done with more of it. But then it wouldn't have cost, let's see, what was this? This was $2.50. But I had a 50-cent savings, well, 49-cent. Well, wait for Mason to stop dancing. You done? Thanks. All right, yeah. Regular price is $2.99, and the card savings is... Jesus. You done? Thanks. Say hi to everybody. 49 cents for the card. So, yeah, $2.40, $2.50. Not really good with math. Kids, stay in school. Study math. It'll help you one day. All right, well. Yeah, it's all right. Honestly, for the time that it takes, it's not terrible, I guess. The egg's not good. If you have another option besides egg, there were a couple of other ones. There was like a chorizo one, but it had egg. The bowl thing is their I guess new thing. I hadn't seen them before, but that's not the same bowl, by the way. I call BS on the bowl. So, all right, kids. Uncle Mikey needs to eat. Ready, Mason? Say hi. Say hi. Good boy. Come here, Mitzi. Mitzi, come here. Oh, there's Mitzi. Say hi to the camera. Okay, there you go.